Justin here with Fly Lady to show you today the Fly Lady Multi-Wand paired with the Fly Lady handle. It gives you a lot of extra reach when you put the Multi-Wand onto the Fly Lady handle. Today I'm going to show you what one of the best uses for the Fly Lady Multi-Wand is. We're going to dust the Fly Lady ceiling fan. We've purposely left it very dusty, full of cobwebs for a while. And today we're going to bend the Multi-Wand because the Multi-Wand is very bendy. It allows you to do this, bend it just the right way, and we're going to use this microfiber chenille cover that's on the Multi-Wand to get this dust off. So the first thing we do is, we're going to take the Multi-Wand and we're going to wipe it. We're going to wipe it down this section here. I'm going to wipe it down, and we're going to get all of that dust off. And then we're going to go underneath and we're going to get that section off. And we can get the edge of the blades as well. You can get a nice clean ceiling fan blade and just look at all of the dust that gets off of that. And it keeps you from being on a ladder. With this extra reach, it allows you to get up and clean every little blade without actually having to stand on a ladder and worrying about falling off. And after you've cleaned your entire ceiling fan, you just take this thing outside, give it a nice shake. Most of the dust will come off. If it is a ceiling fan that hasn't been dusted in a while, just go through the process of doing each blade, knock the big dust off outside, and hopefully the wind's blowing away from your door and it doesn't blow all the dust back in your house, and hopefully it heads toward your neighbor's house. But that's how we like to do it at Fly Lady. And if it gets really dirty, you can just pull this head off right here and you can throw this in your wash at home. Another great home tool from the Fly Lady.